Ingredients required to make the carrot pickle are half kg dried, well dried carrot of this size. You have to cut the carrot into this much size pieces. So I have cut them longitudinally, and it's preferable if you can remove this white part. Not all, like if it is too hard, try to choose the soft ones. And I have dried them under the fan, as if you dry under the sun for long, then vitamins get lost, and if they become too dry, the taste changes. Other ingredients required are 1 teaspoon of your rye, 2 to 3 spoon of your mustard seeds, depending on your taste buds. If you like sour taste, you can add more, and if you don't prefer too much of sour taste, that's for rye even. That rye gives you sour taste. And 1/6 to 1/7 spoon of hing, and 3 to 4 teaspoon of black salt. It should be black salt, not the white salt, depending on your taste. Black salt, rock salt, but the amount varies according to your taste. And this is the red chili, it's optional. If you don't want spicy, you can skip this. This is soft or fennel seeds. I have taken 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. And this is last, your mustard oil. This will be adding later on. And this I have taken 3 tablespoons. So I have mixed all these ingredients and made the powder out of these like this. So I mixed your black salt, hing, your sarson dana, your rye, and your black or your red chili. Everything has been mixed. Your fennel seeds have been mixed, and this mixture has been prepared. You can even make it in more amount and store it, so that whenever you feel like eating the pickle, if this mixture is ready, you can always add this mixture and prepare the pickle. Now add the carrots into this jar. Let's add the carrots into any airtight container or jar. It's always preferable to have glass jar because it's good. And in this, you just have to add the mixture which we have prepared. And after that, this mustard oil you have to heat when you see the smoke coming out, and there's a kind of smell or fragrance coming out of it. That time you just turn off the flame, and this oil you just add to the mixture. Now just mix the ingredients well, and the pickle is ready. Mix the ingredients well and keep it under the sun for just 1 or 2 days. I have just used less oil for those people who are diet conscious, but if you want to go for the taste, you can add more oil even. And all the ingredients, the quantity of the ingredient varies. You can add more or less according to your taste buds. If you want more of sour taste, you can add more of rye powder. More salty, you can add more salt. And it's entirely your wish. You can even add turmeric powder if you wish. So this is your pickle ready to eat. Just within 2 to 3 days, or even you can use tomorrow. If it is sunny outside, you can just close the lid, keep it under the sun for 1 day. If it is good sunny day, then 1 day is also sufficient, and next day If you like the crunchy taste, you can start eating next day itself. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Keep exploring, keep sharing. Till our next video.